Hi, I'm Pallavi.
Hi, I'm Ekta. Hi, I'm Sahitya.
Hi, I'm Sushma. This video is a part of our assignment for our quality assurance course. The tool that we'll be introducing is BDD Cucumber Framework with Selenium. This is a widely used automation testing tool that primarily focuses on behavior-driven development and web application testing. The main characteristics of this tool goes like this. Cucumber allows writing test scenarios in Gherkin language, which is simple and easily understandable by both technical and non-technical stakeholders. Selenium is used for automating web browser interactions. It supports multiple languages such as Java, Ruby, and Python. The type of testing it supports is mostly black box testing because this tool focuses on functionality of the application without needing knowledge of the internal workings. Talking about the development and maintenance, both Cucumber and Selenium are open source tools developed and maintained by an active global community with frequent releases. Now, let me talk about the project structure that we have. The folders in our project structure includes features, pages, runner, step definition, and utility. The feature folder contains test scenarios in simple given when then format. Pages holds reusable object definition. It is a way of structuring the project so that every page from an application has its own class. The runner contains runner class which executes the tests. Step definitions. The Gherkin scenarios are mapped to code in languages like Java in our case. The utility folder has a browser driver. Now talking about the stages supported by this tool support us in planning, design, execution as well as analysis of the test and linking it to other quality attributes. This relates mostly to a performance test of the SAT. We can integrate this tool to JMeter to perform load testing of any SAT. And linking to the course concepts, we learned about quality attributes, black box testing, and test automation and its relevance to continuous integration setups during our lecture 1, 5, and 11 respectively. Now let me introduce the system under test that we have for this assignment. We have used Netflix as the SAT. Netflix is a globally popular platform for streaming movies and TV shows. And in our assignment here, we have focused on login functionality and the search bar usability for the automated testing.
I'm going to demonstrate how Cucumber BDD Framework with Selenium is used to test our cert. Now let me show you how our 5 test cases scenarios for both positive and negative test cases are passed by quickly running the test runner class. You can see the first scenario is running and it will take the invalid email address which is passed. Second scenario will take the incorrect email address or password, which is also passed. Third scenario will take the positive test, which is correct email ID and password, and it goes to profile, selecting the profile, and here it also switch the profiles and will automatically log out from the Netflix. Now the fourth scenario will again log in with the credentials and go to the profiles, and in the search box it will search for the movie or series and it finds and log out. The last scenario again will take the credentials, go to the profile and search for the movies which is not available in Netflix as a negative test, and yeah, you can see it didn't find and log out. So all the test cases are passed. You can see in the target folder there is a Cucumber report as well as a JSON format, and also you can see in the JUnit tab that every test cases which we have taken as a positive and negative test has been passed, and the total time taken for the test is 66 seconds.
Now let me present some reflections on our experience. Firstly, we explored tools for test automation. We learned how automated testing tool runs, and we learned how to organize test cases. Well, creating test scenarios was easy, but linking them to the step definition class was tricky and required extra effort. Using Netflix as a cert wasn't smooth as expected, since we used personal Netflix account to test login and logout scenarios repeatedly. The account got flagged for unusual activity and was temporarily blocked, causing interruptions. Coming to the advantages of the tool based on the testing, the first one is easy to understand because tests are written in plain language, so everyone on the team can follow them easily. And the next one is reusability, as steps can be reused, and the tools like IntelliJ, Eclipse make it simple to find and use tags for targeted tests You can use tags to run specific tests or combine them with logic for better control. Great report and integrations. Cucumber supports plugins and tools for detailed and user-friendly test reports, which can also be shared with tools like Jira. Coming to the disadvantages, complexity with growing scenarios. As the number of scenarios in feature files increases, maintaining clarity and simplicity become a challenge. Regular review and refinement. Establishing practices for regular review and refinement of feature files help in addressing maintenance challenges and ensure that scenarios remain effective and relevant.
The things which we have learned from the tool are: first, writing test cases, focusing on clear and step-by-step scenarios that cover the expected behavior and edge cases. Second, practical implementation of test execution using Cucumber tool, showing how step definitions connect to feature files. At the last, we could demonstrate how automated tests quickly handle repetitive tasks, reducing manual effort and time. Coming to the conclusion, being an open source tool, Cucumber is a powerful tool that supports behavior-driven development, enabling teams to write clear and understandable test cases. Its integration with Selenium provides a robust framework for automated browser testing. By facilitating collaboration among team members and ensuring that tests are aligned with business requirements, Cucumber helps deliver high-quality software. I would like to suggest this tool because, unlike traditional testing tools that require technical knowledge to understand and write tests, Cucumber uses plain language like Gherkin for writing test scenarios. This makes it accessible to non-technical team members, fostering better collaboration and ensuring that tests are aligned with business requirements. Cucumber can be used for testing various types of applications, not just web application. While it is commonly used with Selenium for web testing, Cucumber can also be integrated with other tools and frameworks to test APIs, desktop applications, and more. Thank you.